emotions, it's like sparkles. Something you don't see very often. That's absolutely bonkers. Very good idea. Serious bay for days. Beautiful.
A scanner! Thank you, madam.
I was going to have a little nose.
Humongous. GT86 Club.
I've had a good go at it.
It's just amazing. But I really think that works. It's a real genuine, it's a genuine master part.
A-spec wing.
That's, how rare is that? I don't know. I don't. Excellent. It's NMC. How big is that Turbski? Awesome. Take care, bud. See you soon. See you soon, Max. See you soon, bro.
See you, mate.
Oh, whose clutch is that? Oh, my. Colour on this. Gorgeous. Two sparkly cars. So this is the retail village this year, which is huge. There's PS13. Again, sparkly. Trans wheels, very impressive. Well, a fair bit of camber. Soft spot for that. Work emotions, very impressive. PS13, just don't see many as good as that. That is absolutely gorgeous looking. PS13. Good stand. Once again, seems like sparkles. Ah, good deal. This is just the start. We've got the MX-5 Owners Club, Suzuki Swifts, and then we've got the Drive R Club. Scott Driver, Drive R, see what I did there. A lovely bunch of cars, and again, lots of them that we know. Looking smart. This is awesome, absolutely. It is just literally out of the Need for Speed game. It's amazing. Lovely decals, tucked. And a Turbski. That's awesome. Something you don't see very often. I mean, that's all shades of wrong, isn't it? But respect the build. Mitsubishi stand, lots of Evos of various numbers. That's Mr. Driver's car, sitting resplendently in the middle of Luffie's Corners outfield. Nice decals. Just 2K. Rolly boys. Evo 5. This is quite a decent group. And of course you got the other side, you got the Subarus. And this thing, mad Paris-Dakar Mitsubishi. Basically it's got an Evo engine in a 4x4. which is crazy. Dakar official. That's absolutely bonk. That's Evo on Work Emotions, which is nice. I like that. I like the colour of that. Nice yellow accents. Celica GT4, which you don't see many of. Nice. Nice Chaser. Nice Mark III Supra. i5 BMW Supra. Z32. Love that. That's nice. I love that colour. I had a Volkswagen Beetle in that colour. It's beautiful. Kansai's. Nice looking. Yeah. I wonder if it's static or it's bagged. Nice. Nice set of two-piece wheels. Linear sport. Drift. Oh, that looks nice though, doesn't it? Yeah. So everybody loves Chaser. Beautiful. Hard wheel game. Work Emotions. This is clean. That is so clean. Work Emotions. I gotta say, the wheel game with these guys, serious B for days. Dylan's car looking fresh. Super clean white wheels, super clean barrels, super clean interior. That's a lovely S15. 34 royalty. Beautiful. It's going to be impossible to get some clean car shots of the number of people today, but that is insane. Big days. That's amazing. That is just jaw-dropping. RB25 280Z. Amazing. That's the engine bay for days, isn't it? Rotary. It's amazing.
It's got 4 seats.
That is so nice.
Today, you want to know you wonderful people, 12:30ish. We're going to do another one in the afternoon, which I'll pre-announce for you in between the drift gigs. But we want to do this one now because we've had people asking.
So this is the Luxo barge section, which goes on for days. And our friend that we know, James St. James.
on very shortly indeed. And we'll do our next three. Give me a number. Thank you very much, champions. Thank you, madam.
Fantastic. Yeah, I was going to have a little nosy.
That is absolutely gorgeous looking. Beautiful and unusually a right hooker. That's so unusual. Because most of the right hookers got eaten by British rot. That though is gorgeous. Standard's quite high yet again. Stancy boy. Absolutely stock mark full. Side kitted 370 on air. Oh, that's mint. When does that happen? Two Veil Side Z side by side. That's just amazing. It's just amazing. The interior, mint.
Same blade. Is that the strip?
Work Seeker wheels. Again, super rare. That is so lovely. Stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. So tell us about your amazing. I mean, have you done all this resto, or have you had it restored?
Yeah, it's something that me and my mates have done.
Together?
Yep, I had bought it 9 years ago. I dragged it out of a barn in Wales.
Really? I must be shocking then.
Oh.
I'm from Wales. Everything,
Oh, mate, there we go then. It's your fault.
Rust and shit,
Yeah.
mate. The Welsh kill cars. That's same as
Yeah.
Irish, right?
Yeah.
They just eat cars.
It was awful. Like all this is gone. It was gone when we bought it. Hence why it's got a fuel cell, because the tank had rotted out,
Oh, wow.
floor had rotted out.
Right.
That's the third tailgate that's on now, because yeah, they were bad. I keep getting bad ones, but hopefully that's a good one.
Wow.
And then it's just been labour of love. 6 years to get it to where it is now.
It's amazing.
Well, I thought I was done.
Yeah.
And then I met Zayed a couple of years ago,
Right.
and he owns this Elite Carbon Composites.
Oh, well,
And he did all these arches, so they're all one-offs.
Beautiful.
Perfect. They're worth having. They're all for sale. You can buy them all. He's going to make real remanufacturing.
Oh, really?
If you've got a
but
Z.
you're the test mule though, right?
But yeah.
How cool is that?
It is nice.
That's very cool. It's just jaw-droppingly good. I mean, the slight OEM plus. Have you done anything to the engine? You rebuilt it, or
Engines, we rebuilt the engine. It's had a mild cam, 6-branch manifold, triple 40s.
Right.
Usual sort of electronic ignition.
Yes.
Aluminium radiator.
Yeah.
Usual sort of stuff. My parents met working for Datsun when these were new.
No way.
So my dad, when I got it, my
Jesus.
dad was like, "Oh, wicked! I can rip that apart."
Yeah.
Like the timing tool for one of these is a block of wood.
Right.
So you take the top off, get a block of wood, whack it in there, then that locks the timing.
Wow.
Take the chain off and change the chain.
Wow. It's just stuff you
But
never know,
he
right?
knows all that because he used to work when they were
So
new.
what are you on Instagram?
Adrian.p.curtis.
And just keep on keeping on. And the fact it's from Wales as well, it's like spooky.
Yeah,
But,
it's a
mate,
Welsh car.
props to you, bro.
Thank you very much.
Absolute props. It's beautiful. Take care.
See you
Best of
later.
luck,
Thank
yeah?
you very much.
Cheers.
Take care. See you later.
GT86 Club. Going on for miles. That's lovely. So we got Lexus IS 200s as far as the eye can see. Lots of MX5s. Of all shape and varieties. NAs, Bs, Cs and Ds. That is a nice looking car. Right, that's really interesting. Lovely metallic flip. Which I like flip colours. That's a Altezza as opposed to an IS 200. And VIP style. A nice RX-8 here. On XXRs. Nice looking thing. He's got a bit of a tasty exhausty boy at the back. I like this. Oh yes. We approve of that. I've seen RX-7. Proper drift spec. Big type around the boot. So we got here is exclusive JDM stand with a very high quality selection of the finest Japanese, as I said, Japanese cars. Let's go and have a look at some pops and some bangs. An amazing restored 240Z with dead person. Dead person. Just boosted?
Yeah.
Sounds neat, man.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So it's a 1.8?
Yes.
And what turbocharger are you running on it?
It's a Garrett GT 2560R.
Oh, proper stuff then?
The one you get on an MX5.
Yeah. So are you running brake-wise, what, 240-ish?
It made, I think, at the wheels, I think it was like 210, so I think it made like 250.
250-ish.
Yeah,
sounds like awesome, dude.
Yeah, thank you very much.
It's running really sweet.
Yeah,
you can't blow these things up, really, can you?
Well, I've had a good go at it, it's not kept warm, so...
Nice one, man. Props on the car though, bro.
Yeah,
I'll see you at the next one, probably, well, the main event, isn't it? Up in Sherborne.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, see you up there.
Yeah, brilliant.
No worries, man. That is sweet. Legendary 5. Boom. How are you doing, guys?
Yeah, good to you.
I am absolutely blown away by how big your stand is.
Yeah.
It's amazing. How many cars you got on?
94 this time.
94?
Yeah, so it's slightly less than last year, but only because the whole event sold out.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what's the news of the club then, guys?
Same events for us this year as last year.
Cool.
Everything a bit bigger and a bit better as usual.
Yeah.
More elaborate stands wherever we do manage to go.
Yeah.
More merchandise than ever before. We've got the drift car for this year. Obviously we unveiled that full scale last year.
Yeah.
And we've just picked up something else as well. A new car we'll be unveiling at our season opener. Yes.
Another project.
Yeah, so and I thought, oh, how can I unveil it? And I was like, you know what? It's not going to make it to Japfest, but season opener's 4.5 weeks away now.
Is that all it is now?
Yeah,
Jesus,
yeah.
man.
And yeah, how do you think I feel?
Yeah.
So,
absolutely, man.
Yeah, I just thought, well, actually, we've got 4 weeks. Let's see what we can get done and unveil it there. So.
I can't believe how many flags we've got. That just,
yeah.
I forget.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I went down there earlier, came back and I was like, yeah, we have got a lot. You can just see us a mile away.
Why not? But it's good, you know, it just shows how far you go.
Yeah,
you know,
absolutely.
from all the way down there to all the way up there. It's amazing.
Yeah, it's big.
It is, and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
We're doing our best.
Power to you guys. Kyle's GT4, always looking resplendent on his lovely Volt Racing wheels. We love these. Thank you, mate. I'd say such an understated car for a massive amount of performance. We love them. Look at those wheels though. Yeah, that's Dan's. This thing sounds fantastic. But last time we saw this was at the exclusive JDM season opener. And before that, he was in the convoy to Jump Performance Show. And this sounds awesome. Look at that. Dan, mate, you've really outdone yourself. That looks amazing. Amazing. I'm not sure why, but I really think that works. Looks like a Forest Gump. It's not though, is it? It's not. You made it yourself?
No, it's Mazda A-Spec.
Oh no way! It's actually Mazda's. It's a real genuine. It's a genuine Mazda pack.
Genuine A-Spec wing.
That's how rare is that?
It's the only one on the road in the UK.
Wow! I used to have one of these back in the days. 2 litre V6, right? Yeah, lovely little car. Tried to destroy it because it was a company car who didn't treat me very well. So I tried to kill the car over 3 months, and it didn't die.
They're indestructible.
Absolutely fantastic. You've been on track.
Got out last session.
See if I can catch you, mate. I've got that. That's lovely, but I'm impressed. I loved it. It was my flying little pea. That's what we used to call it. I loved the car. Absolutely loved it. But this is testament to you, man. It's awesome.
Thanks, buddy.
I'll drop you a message on Insta when this goes live, and you can obviously have a look at it and just tell everyone about your genuine Mazda speed wing and just like, yeah, I was on telly the other day and everything. All right? Nice one. Cheers, bro. Thanks, man.
Thanks, mate.
Cheers. I don't know what this is. It's a Pikachu.
It says on the front.
Pikachu what?
Pikachu
Pikachuzuki. That's mad. That is absolutely insane. Pikachu. So that's one for Mikey and Shian, I reckon. That's just bonkers. Yes. Oh dear. GD86s for days. This is a bit special. That's sorted. I think I've seen this one before. Yeah, Truck BRZ. That's awesome. Oh, that. Adam C, fucking genius. Has you seen it yet?
Yeah, I did sort of put it on my face and go, Adam C!
Nice one.
Whether he see it or not, I think he did.
Mate, beautiful car. Nice one.
Okay, mate.
I'm not sure about this. Because these are not Japanese. They are Korean. And why are they here? Shush, shush. Hyundai. But Hyundai. But they're not Japanese. It's lovely A86 with, as Neil Sherman would say, some lovely misery. We know all about these arches. But competition style spec, which is good, probably Drifty Boy. And then the black and white panda scheme, which we love. Like that a lot. This is interesting. S14, that's really quite rare. I've seen that in real life before. Nice. Supercharged, eh? That'd be interesting. Super clean. Mark 1 MR2. Fucking hell. Okay, that means it. Oof. Oh wow, Frankenstein. That's fucking insane. That is absolutely bonkers. Mongoose MR2 V6. You know this car, don't you, mate? Look at that. Bay for days. Nom 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 nom. Come on. Let's, right. How big is that Turbski? Is anyone not impressed by that? It's massive. It's fucking huge. Look at that. K24. K24, top and bottom end. And here's a nutter whose car it is. Right? So, why did you go for that? Why did the original blow up? Do you just want to go bonkers? What's the story with the car? Because I've not seen it before and I think it's absolutely legendary.
So I bought the car originally just to buy and sell. Really? With a free SGE. Right. Then I went out in a mate's that's also got a similar setup. Right. And he'd only got first and second gear because he'd already blown third out. And is that because the peak torque comes in? Yeah. And it enlightened me. Yeah. Enough to go, I want one. Right. So 3 days later I got a Honda Accord sat on the drive. Accord, I got you, yeah. Stripped it, built this within 8 weeks. That's not bad going. Ran it completely bone stock lump. Right. 190,000 miles. Wow, but they're bulletproof, aren't they? I ran it at 450 horse for a year, bouncing it off the limiter. Just giving it death and just not going bang. And then Japfest finale, ran 11.1. And then I decided that it needed treating, so forged it, went a bit more. Oh man, so what are you turning out now? 650. Jesus man. And what's the car weigh, 1,200 kilos? It's probably a little bit lighter. Because the engine? Well, I've removed a few of the bits, so the engine and box is slightly lighter than the original. I haven't got my rear firewall anymore. Of course, yeah, that's hard as fuck, that's just race car. Stripped quite a bit of the interior out, so I've removed all the aircon unit. All the speakers, anything behind the dash that doesn't need it, it's gone. Wow. You alright, mate? Here's the man, good man. Fist bump, boom. Fucking mad bastard. Mad bastard. Yeah? 600 horsepower, man. That's just brilliant. Oh no, was it 600? 649.7. There we go. You have to get that. Alright, 649. Yeah. Okay, 649. But it'll do 70 in first gear now. Oh man. So, that's good going. How are you doing, alright? Alright, yeah. Nice one. Yeah. Still obviously doing this kind of stuff. We're parked about 58 miles north of Oxford. Yeah, we've seen you, Clue. Oh, man. I saw your car. I did have a look around for you, but you weren't about. Oh, bless you, man. For this is mad. I was just saying, like the chat I had with you at Japfest at Santapod.
loads of you guys are just like engineering like wizards. You know, in terms of what's possible, we'll just do it. And you know, you like making your own rules. And I've read the magazines that he gave us. You know, all the Ematoni man. I think that's one of the best magazines I've seen. It's not really for a general article publishing thing.
Steve Bishop does it.
Yeah.
We've got issue 5 coming out later on this year.
All right, I might even get that.
Yeah.
So drop him a sort of message or something. Or
MRT Only magazine on Facebook.
Nice one. Okay. But saying, mate, what's your name, mate? I don't know.
Dan.
Dan. Yes, Dan, because yes, I'm fucking tired. They're saying that, you know, all the different options, the swaps, the Frankenstein's K24, K20s, full K24s, massive turbos, V6s, just loads of different engines from all different marks. Yeah.
So me and Lewis have just started Midlands MR2 workshop.
Okay.
So there's some interesting stuff coming out, hopefully this year.
So you're going to go to Santa Pod this year again?
Oh yeah, we're at Jap Show.
Nice one,
We've got a stand there already.
Oh, good one, good one. I will see you there definitely then.
Yeah, it's got about I'm
20 cars.
10s this year.
Yeah.
It's got to do 10s this year.
Yeah. Oh man, 10-second car though. I mean, that's just a dream, isn't it? Absolute dream.
A 10-second driveway bull car. That's
that's another thing, I guess. But yeah, you got a strong show, and again, I'm glad you're here. Obviously, in the middle of things, because these guys.
We teamed up with MR2 UK South.
Yeah.
This one, so.
Look how beautiful Mark 1s there, aren't they?
Yeah, that's
absolute mint.
Damien and Steve, these two guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a supercharger.
Nice.
That's just a normal 4H.
You've got Lee as well over there with your
2GR.
3.5 litre 2GR.
Oh, right. What's that from?
RX 350 Lexus.
Right.
The big people carry.
That's a big engine.
To be fair, like you said, it's sold out, but we're walking around. There's tons of space.
It is.
Tons of space.
Yeah.
But a lot of it would have been put off in the rain this morning.
Yeah,
I nearly didn't come this morning.
Really?
Yeah, it was pissing it down when we left home.
Yeah, same here. Got some good rollers though. Got the missus. That's the missus. Hello, missus. She's the gimbal. She
I thought you meant in the stager.
Yeah, nice one. I wish. She got a golf. What can I say? Jamin.
Look at the divorce in MIs.
I know. Look, so we'll see you at Jap Show, definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
And keep the sort of tie sides down. And well done, man. Thanks for chatting about the car. It's got a 3.5 litre V6 from a Lexus. Absolutely bonkers. Huge engine, 3.5 litres. In a car that weighs 1,200 kilos and is turboed. Amazing. So a Toyota Verosa VR25. I'm figuring that's got to be Super X. I've never seen one before. VIP vibes. Chaser. Everyone loves a Chaser, right? That's so clean. Eye-wateringly awesome. That's amazing. I like that red a lot. Really nice RX-8. RX-8 familiar. Type 507. Shout out to the guys at Rotary Revs. Good guys, especially Guy Ben, lovely bloke. Nice. It's a PZ limited edition. 40th anniversary. Also rare. Got a bit of a soft spot for the old RX-8. Why aren't you on the 350Z stand?
Do you know what? I saw that too late and I was already had tickets with the Japfest.
Ah, he sold his soul, didn't he? Gonna stick you on that. What colour is this, mate? Because it looks amazing.
It's a custom paint job. So it's from a company in the States called Custom Colours.
Okay, gotcha.
So I painted it myself.
Did you?
I'm not a painter, so it's
mate,
not...
props to you.
Thank you. It's it's not a perfect job. There's bits and pieces.
Wow, fair play, man.
But I had 4 days to do it, so then
right.
when you talk about a refurb and then you're spending £400 or £500 per wheel with wider lips,
then it just starts.
But that's show car life though, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, you know, it is that rabbit hole.
Yeah.
Absolute rabbit hole.
Yeah, you get stuck in a downward spiral.
Oh, she's bloody gorgeous looking, mate.
No, thank you. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, I love seeing young fellas get into these cars. It just gives me joy, you know.
Great fun. Yeah, great fun. Yeah, it's just little bits and pieces now. Wheels. I want to put a 326 spoiler on it.
Yeah.
Because I've only ever seen one person that's done it. But it's a lot of body work.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Of body work.
And then you can think, then are you going to go Stancy Boy and just like drop it and get big canvas stuff going on? It's like, where do you go?
Sort of go a bit, yeah.
Yeah, because they're the Stancy Boys. They are hardcore in the weeds, dragging everything boys, aren't they?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, sparks flying out the back.
That's the one. Yeah. But no, she's testament to me. I look forward to seeing it. I'll follow that as well on Instagram, and you're obviously doing the build on Instagram and stuff as well.
Yeah, I've put everything on. It's had the process on it. I've done ones of me painting it, and there's videos of me putting the primer on and doing that on there.
Good work, man.
Yeah.
It's a great. I love the colour. I love it.
Thank you very much. Yeah,
Props to you, boy. I will see you later.
Nice to meet you.
Nice one.
All
Take
right,
care.
Take it easy, bloke.
Cheers. That is sweet. I like that a lot. Yes, props for that. Whose is this? Ah, Ryan's. That's nice. Look at that. Good interior. Look at the details on the side of the dials and stuff. That's looking even more orange than I remember. That's beautiful. soon. See you soon, Max. See you soon, bro. See you, mate. Whose clutch is that? Oh, mine.
Oh, is it yours?
Oh, that was awesome.